Hello, everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine. Washing and sanitizing your hands properly, right?
Now, children, meet your friend Johnny. On a bright sunny afternoon, he was playing in the park with all his friends. Now, suddenly, he saw some black clouds all around the sky with so much thundering. Also, it started to rain.
Children, do you know that what should we carry with ourselves when it's raining? What should we carry? Very good. We should carry an umbrella. We should carry an umbrella. Or we can also wear a raincoat. We can also wear a raincoat.
Now, Johnny went back to his home and took an umbrella. Now, he sadly started saying the rhyme, "Rain, rain, go away."
So, the first line is rain, rain, go away. Again, rain, rain, go away. The next line is come again another day. Again, come again another day. After that, little Johnny wants to play. Again, little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Again, let's do it. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
I hope you all have enjoyed the rhymes very much. So, bye bye everybody. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.